John was a cheerful 15-year-old boy who loved to play video games. Every day after school, he would spend hours glued to his screen, battling virtual monsters and leveling up his characters. His homework lay forgotten on his desk, and his room was a mess of snack wrappers and tangled wires. One afternoon, his Uncle Luvis came to visit. Luvis was a wise man who had traveled the world and achieved great success. He noticed John's obsession with games and the way he wasted hours without learning or growing. "John," Luvis called, "let's take a walk." John reluctantly put down his controller and followed his uncle outside. They walked to a park nearby, where children were playing, families were laughing. And the sun was shining brightly. Luvis sat on a bench under a large oak tree, and John sat beside him, his fingers twitching as if still holding his controller. "John, do you know the value of time?" Luvis asked, his voice calm but serious. John shrugged. "It's just time, Uncle. There's always more of it." Luvis smiled knowingly. "I used to think the same way when I was your age. I wasted my days doing nothing useful, thinking I had all the time in the world. But time is the one thing you can never get back once it's gone." John looked at his uncle, curiosity sparking in his eyes. "What do you mean?" he asked. Luvis pointed to the children playing in the park. "Look at them. They're learning, growing, experiencing life. But if they just sat around doing nothing, they would miss out on all the fun and lessons life has to offer." He continued, "When I was young, I wasted my time. I ignored my studies, delayed my dreams, and played away my days. It wasn't until I failed my exams and lost precious opportunities that I realized the value of time. I had to work twice as hard to catch up." John felt a pang of guilt as he thought about his unfinished homework and the many hours spent on his games. "But I enjoy playing games, Uncle. It's fun." Luvis nodded. "There's nothing wrong with having fun, John. But balance is important. If you only play and ignore your responsibilities, you'll look back one day and realize you missed out on becoming the best version of yourself." John looked down, his face thoughtful. "What should I do then?" Luvis smiled warmly, placing his hand on John's shoulder. "Make a plan. Prioritize your studies and goals, and then enjoy your games as a reward. Don't waste your time because it's more precious than you think." John nodded, understanding the wisdom in his uncle's words. That evening, he did his homework first before playing his favorite game. He felt proud and accomplished, realizing that time wasn't just something to spend, it was something to invest. From that day on, John learned to balance his fun and responsibilities, never forgetting his uncle's words, "Don't waste your time, for once it's gone, you can never get it back." Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support helps me create more amazing content for you, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow this community together. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.